This is the most dangerous part of the ocean and you've never heard of it. While at first glance this area appears to be just a dark spot in the ocean, in truth it is actually something far more sinister. This is the Blue Hole in Belize, a cavernous sinkhole in shallow waters. The depth of the hole is unknown, which is why diver Marcus Robertson wanted to be the first one to go to the bottom of the massive sinkhole. The year was 1998, and Marcus and his team were ready to be the first people to ever see what secrets were being hidden underneath the massive hole. Little did they know the tragedy that would come. When diving, Marcus was equipped with a small microphone to communicate to the surface if things went wrong. His dive began well, and Marcus descended into the darkness bearing a large flashlight to see what was down there. For the first few minutes, everything went smoothly, and Marcus noted that he saw some smaller fish. However, at 13 minutes, things took a turn for the worse. You see, inside the sinkhole, there are large concentrations of nitrogen narcosis, a chemical compound which alters human consciousness and makes them hallucinate. This is exactly what happened to Marcus, claiming to see giant creatures lurking below him. Then before his cord was mysteriously broken, he shouted, "Shark! Shark! There's a 60-foot megalodon beneath me." Those were Marcus's last words. To see pictures of the giant shark, simply click share. Then more. Then photos.